AWS CloudFormation is a really exciting tool that has a huge amount of power. So what it does is it actually enables you to automatically deploy your infrastructure on AWS. And it does so through template files and the code that you write into those template files. So it's often known as deploying infrastructure as code, which in the AWS world really means anything from VPCs to subnet configurations to EC2 instances, databases, and so on. In fact, pretty much everything can be deployed using CloudFormation. So how do we do it? Well, with CloudFormation, we deploy our infrastructure using code. And what that means is you actually define your infrastructure and the way you want it to be built in a template file. The template files are either written in JavaScript object notation, JSON, or YAML. So in this particular example, it's written in JSON, and you can see that there's some code in here for actually defining and then building a database. Now, it also helps you to visualize what it's going to do. So in another view, you can actually see what's going to be created. And in this case, the template is going to launch an application. And that application includes a couple of security groups, one for the web server, one for the DB server. It's got the auto scaling group here. There's an application load balancer with a listener and a target group. And there's a launch configuration here used by auto scaling, and then the actual database instance itself. And it creates all the connectivity between them. It will launch and build these resources for you. So that's it for this lesson, just a quick bit of theory on CloudFormation, and the best way to get started and really understand CloudFormation is to work with it. So in the next couple of lessons, we're going to deploy a few stacks on CloudFormation and build out a bunch of resources.